It's right here underneath my seat. And it is this thing right here. This is also from All Powers, and it is a 100-watt solar panel here. And I usually put it up on the roof of the truck to get it out of the way to keep the dust off it. But this little package packs a lot of punch. So let me show you setting this thing up. Now, I mentioned a second ago, this is usually where I set it, is up on the roof of the truck, and that's for a couple reasons. It keeps it out of the dust, out of the debris. It also keeps it away from prying eyes. If you just want to leave this thing in your campsite, people aren't going to see it if it's up here, but you can see pretty good sized panel. And right over here, there's a little pouch. You've got all your cables in here, which is neat. And it's got all these different adapters, so you can adapt it to stuff. On the back of this thing, there's also 2 USB ports and an 18-volt out. So you can charge 2 devices on here, 2 phones or whatever you want, and then you can run your cable here off this port and then run it straight into your battery bank. And now it's going to sit there and charge your battery. And it'll actually tell you over here, it's kind of hard to see in the sun here glinting off it, but it'll tell you how quickly your battery is charging. And you see here the sun right now, very low in the sky, but we're still getting a green light here. We're still getting some charging off it, and it is chugging away here. So it does tell us right there that it is charging. Now, in my experience, if you run this thing completely flat and run the 100-watt panel here, in 1 day of decent sunshine, you can charge this thing from completely flat to completely full. So it's great for camping because you can charge all your stuff and then recharge your battery bank without having to plug this thing in. But you can plug it in. It does also come with a wall charger and a way that you can plug it into your vehicle. The one thing it doesn't come with is a cigarette lighter charger that you can plug it from there into the cigarette lighter of your car, but you can pick that up separately if you want it.